Hey everybody, this is Jared from Rod Inspect, San Antonio, Texas, here with just another Inspector's Insight video. I'm here at a condo and I wanted to show you guys pretty interesting regarding moisture intrusion into rooms. And so here I am looking at the living room area, and when I came in I noticed, if you kind of see, these wood boards are warped and damaged, and this is more than likely from water intrusion. And it's kind of hard to see because we don't have a whole lot of light in this room. But the walls right here are damaged from water, and it continues along this wall and baseboard all the way around, even to this door, where you can see the framing damage on that door and even a little water stain on it. And so the soil on the outside of this wall is pretty high up, and I think water during heavy storms has come through and caused all of this damage. And surprisingly enough, nothing was on the seller's disclosure, so this was a surprise to both the buyer and the buyer's agent. And so, you know, one of those many reasons why to have a home inspection is important, because nobody would have known about this. They said that there was furniture here before that everything was taken out, and so nobody knew about it. And luckily we found it here today, so to save our clients some time and money. And thank you guys for watching.